Hello and welcome to the next lesson in our Git Essentials course. In this video, I want to talk about Git Rebase. Git Rebase is the second technique we can use to integrate branches into each other. It's not more difficult or easier than the merge, it's just another way, and it behaves a little bit differently in comparison to the merge command. I've already prepared a situation where we have a diverged feature/a branch, and we want to integrate this feature branch into the master branch, but now we want to use Git Rebase instead of Git Merge. And the first thing to do this is simply run the Git Rebase command, and like we would do it with the merging, we just need to pass the target branch that we want to rebase on. Doing this will give us a nice console logout where we see that there occurred a merge conflict, especially with this file here, the a.txt. a.txt may have some changes in the feature branch that are conflicting with the contents of the a.txt in the master branch. And we already know how we can resolve conflicts, right? We have seen this in the lesson where we merge one branch into another branch. And resolving conflicts remains the same, either you merge or rebase branches. So what we have to do now is simply call our git merge tool to see what is wrong with our file. Visual Studio Code shows up and we have a nice diff view what the conflict in this file is. We have some incoming changes from our feature/a branch, and our current change is represented by the master branch, and now we can handle this conflict as we like. I just accept both changes. You're of course allowed to do whatever you want to do in such a resolution file. You can also, you can also insert your own contents if you like. If you have some manual stuff to do, it's all allowed in this resolving procedure. So as we have resolved our conflict, we can once again, like we would do it in a merge, can have a look at our, I will do this once again. We can have a look of our resolved file, and we see that we now have changes that can be committed, and this is a modified a.txt file having no conflicts so far. Now we have one different thing. We do not need to add this file to the index since it is already in the index. We just need to tell Git that the rebase now can continue. So you can see here that we have 1 of 1 in the rebase status. 1 of 1 means that we want to rebase one commit, and now Git has looked up if there is a conflict, it found a conflict, we resolved the conflict, and now we are done with this commit. And now we can just say, okay, Git, please continue the rebase by writing git rebase -- continue. And as we have done this, our rebase is complete. And now the result is very, very interesting. I bring up the log once more. And now you can see that we do not have any merge commit, for sure, because we did not run a commit command for now. But what you can see is that now our commit has been placed on top of the master branch. And this shows the different behavior of Git Rebase in comparison to Git Merge. Git Merge will create a merge commit. You can see this in the sample we did below. And the Git Rebase just makes a copy of a commit and moves it on top of the target branch. And this is the whole magic, and this is also the difference if you want to, if you like to merge or if you like to rebase. Rebase will give you the possibility to have a linear history a linear commit history that is very easily to read, right? If you use merging, you will produce additional merge commits, and you will also see the different branches being the parent of this merge commit. And this is really a kind of a decision you want to make in your team, if you prefer merging or rebasing, or if you want to go for both strategies. I personally prefer the rebase strategy, since you have a very easy to read linear history in your Git repository. So this is a very introduction to the Git Rebase commit. If you want to learn more about Git Rebase, please check out the next video. By the way, if you still have any question about the video, or if you have any further question, please do not hesitate to ask me and leave me a comment below. Thank you.